So here we are at the Narrows at Bon Echo. Just gonna show you our dinner that we're having out here. Got a nice breeze. We are doing some rustic spaghetti that I dehydrated, cooked and dehydrated, using our Whisperlite. We're just gonna rehydrate this, warm it up, and eat it with some buns, and enjoy the nice, beautiful breeze and the cool weather. It's actually not cool weather, but it feels cool here. And Chloe's having her dinner. Chitra's slowly feeding her. So inside, just covered the spaghetti with some water. You can always add more. We just have to boil it up and rehydrate it about 20 minutes. Stirring it periodically. Smells really good. She went in the water to get it? Cool. Looks good. A little watery, but we're going to let it soak in a little bit more, hopefully. What are we having? Yummies. It's like the beginning of a movie. You've already forgot. Chloe. Hi, baby. Chitra's such a good mummy. She's holding Chloe's ears back so it doesn't get into the sauce. That's a good mummy. Yeah. So we will wash this pot after. We don't just put it back in. She doesn't do that good of a job. She's not Maya. Are you doing a good job? Oh, giving kisses? A little rustic spaghetti for everybody.
She already ate her whole meal. She's not giving us any of that.
I know.
That's not fair. Where's the your meal? How come I always have to give a piece of my meal?
So, rustic spaghetti with a bun. Should be yummy. What do you think, Chloe? Is it good? She's like, Parmesan cheese. Yummy. Our food is getting cold.
Alrighty then.
Go for it. This is the first time we've had this rehydrated, so Chitra is going to be the guinea pig.
This is not yours.
Guinea pig! It's the first time I've dehydrated chicken too, so.
It's really good, but I can't see it. But no, it's good.
Does it taste okay? Is it
tastes really good.
cooked well?
Perfect. Eat it without the camera.
Okay. We're going to go out and check out the Mazenal Rock at sunset. You can see it in the background there.
And bright, flashing with silver ball.
And as the sun sets, Chloe Bear falls asleep. Look at how pretty that is.